Hello Focus fam, I'm Dominic Lewis, and today we're talking about 2018's best entry-level cameras. I know being a new photographer and graduating from a smartphone to your first digital camera can be quite a stressful experience. I know you want to choose a model that sets your photos apart, but isn't so manual and so complex that learning how to use it is intimidating. So today I'm going to show you a few of the cameras that came out this year in 2018, and we're going to find that camera that's right in the sweet spot that's perfect for you. So the first camera that I have today is the Nikon V3500 with the 18 to 55mm lens. This is an easy to use DSLR camera made to feel comfortable and balanced right in your hand. The body is lightweight and small, which is an asset if you're carrying it with you day to day or if you use it on vacation. It runs laps around your smartphone camera. It features an 11-point autofocus, which is great for action shots, and has an X-bed image sensor that captures vibrant images with a 24.2 megapixel DX CMOS sensor. Capturing beautiful image in full HD at 1080p is as easy as pointing and shooting. And if you can't wait to get your pictures up on social media, you can connect the D3500 with your smartphone via Nikon's free SnapBridge app. Once connected, your photos will populate in the app's feed real time, and you can download your pictures. The next camera we have here is the Fujifilm X-T100 with its 15 to 45mm lens. This is a mirrorless camera, meaning that it does not have a mirror. It's just like other cameras in this range. It makes it a lot smaller and lighter than other cameras. It has a retro look with an anodized coated aluminum top cover. It's available in 3 different colors: black, silver, and gold. It's also Wi-Fi enabled, so you can stay connected and easily share photos via a mobile app. It's highly intuitive. This camera features a touchscreen menu and a 1080p flip and tilt screen. Getting back to the specs, the X-T100 features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor as well, and it captures Ultra HD 4K video at 15 frames per second. If you want a good quality mirrorless camera that looks good around your neck, this is the camera for you. And last but not least, we have the Canon EOS M50 with its 15 to 45mm lens. So this camera actually shoots 4K video as well at 23.98 frames per second. It has 5-axis built-in image stabilization and shoots pictures up to 24.1 megapixels, which is perfect. However, this camera also has a dual pixel CMOS autofocus system that has 99 autofocus points, helping you instantly capture every single moment. The EOS M50 is also the most share-friendly of all 3 cameras. You can transfer data from your Canon to your smartphone via Bluetooth, or if you're an Android user, you can use NFC. That's all the cameras that I have for you guys today. You guys let me know which camera you're thinking of buying this holiday season. I'll be sure to answer any questions you got. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys later.